Hello guys, welcome back to Making Solutions. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to grow with 0 views and 0 subscribers on YouTube. As a YouTuber, you can imagine how frustrating it would be to upload YouTube videos. Good videos, quality videos that you spent your time, your effort, your energy, to put it together. And at the end of the day, you end up not getting views. People don't even find a video on YouTube. You end up not even getting subscribers from it. It can be very, very frustrating. So how do you grow with 0 views and 0 subscribers? It's easy to grow your channel when you already have more views and more subscribers. Alright? So, but what do you do if you are starting a new YouTube channel with 0 views and 0 subscribers? Alright, so this is what I'm going to teach you. I'm going to show you in this video. So if this is your first time coming across my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on your bell notification so you can get notified every time I bring useful videos like this your way. Alright, so without much waste of time, let's get started. Alright, so I'll be showing you some secrets that you can use to grow your YouTube channel. Now, secret number 1 is that you use compelling titles. Use compelling titles. One of the worst things that you could ever do as a YouTuber is to have boring titles. Alright? There are some people that still have boring titles, but they end up still having millions of views, millions of subscribers. These people are people that already have, subscribers, they already have viewers. But you, as a new, channel, as a new YouTuber, you don't have to follow suit. Okay, let's say you are going through some news headlines, all right? You wouldn't want to, click or even go further to read, titles that do not make sense to you. The ones that do not make sense, you just flip and pass, all right? But you find out that when you happen to see a title that makes sense to you, that's the one you click, because to you it makes sense, even if the video, even if the story, even if the storyline does not make sense, but because of the title, it's the title that drew your attention. So same thing with YouTube. You need to first of all have a compelling title, so people can just say, okay, let me see what this is all about. Without you first having a compelling title, nobody cares about how your video, how good your video is. Alright? People don't know you. That's one of the reasons you need to have a compelling title. People don't know you. Now, I'm going to share with you some ideas that you can use when it comes to video titles. Number 1 idea is use how to. Now, let me give you an assignment. Just pause this video, open another tab, check on YouTube, type how to. You see a lot of videos that are coming out because people want to know. How to is a very powerful title because people go to YouTube every day to find out how to do this, how to do that, how to do this, how to do that. So it's a huge category on YouTube. It's because I used how to. That's why you are able to come to my channel to watch this video you're watching now, because you want to know, you want to find out something. Okay, so that's one of the ideas. Another idea is you can use how I. Example, how I did this, how I did that, how I made this, how I made that, how I did this in 3 days, how I did this in 30 days, how I achieved this in 1 month. People still want to know. So the next idea is you can use secrets of, because people want to know the secrets of doing something. Secrets of closing sales, secrets of reducing fats, secrets of growing from this to this, secrets of success. There are a lot of things people really want to find out. So another thing about secrets is that you are keeping them in suspense. So people want to find out more. Alright, so if you use secrets of, people want to know what is that secret. Another idea I'm going to give you is to use warning titles. Warning title might come in this form: don't do this, until you do this. Don't do this until, for example, don't do this until you watch this video. You know, this title brings out, curiosity in people. All right. So why? People would say, want to say why. They want to find out why why you are saying so, why you say so. All right. Don't do this until you do this. So you notice that that title is somehow, curiosity driven. All right. So you need to make use of such titles. Now you notice that when your channel is small, that's when you have 0 views and 0 subscribers, no one gives a dime about what you are writing or what you are, talking about. So you can start writing any title of your own when your video or when your channel is very small with little views and subscribers. You wouldn't want to, create videos on about anything yet, because people don't know who you are. People don't know you yet. Before you get to that point, people must have known you. So that's when you can just come up with any crazy title of your choice or any video of your choice and upload. Now people, because they know you, they will just still want to find out, what are you doing? What is this video about? Or if you are not at that level yet, it's not advisable that. So you should use any of these proven titles that I've listed out: how to, how I, secrets of, and some warning title headlines. All right. So you need to use titles that people are already searching for. Focus on these titles. These are the proven titles that people are already searching for. These titles are guaranteed to give you the result that you want. Secret number 2 I'm going to show you is that you should and must have a YouTube trailer. Having a YouTube trailer gives your audience, or your first time visitor, when they land on your homepage of your YouTube channel, gives them an idea of what to expect from your channel. All right, the kind of action they need to take. So in your YouTube trailer, it should be specific. All right, tell them what your channel is all about. All right, so people need to have reason why they should subscribe to your channel. Trailer is what gives your audience an overview of your channel. So when they subscribe to you, this is what they are getting. All right. So use a YouTube trailer so your first time visitor can know what your channel is all about when they get to your homepage or your YouTube channel. So you can tell them how frequent you upload contents on your channel. All right, so this gives them what to expect from your channel. And also don't forget to tell them what you want them to do. So don't expect because you have great content they're going to subscribe. No. Most times people need to be guided on what to do. People need you to tell them the action to take. So you're going to be telling them, tell them you want them to subscribe to your channel so they can get XYZ benefits. Those are the values you're going to be giving them from subscribing to your channel. Don't assume because you have a good content, you are this, you are that, and whenever they stumble on your channel, they're going to subscribe. No. Sometimes you need to follow them. You need to give them reasons why they should subscribe. You need to tell them to subscribe to your channel. All right. So that is how to tell them to take action. So secret number 3, show your audience that you care. All right, show your audience that you care. Now, one of the biggest mistake YouTubers make is that they make videos that they want to make instead of making videos that their viewers, their subscribers need or want. You see, those are two different things. Creating a video because you just feel like making that video, instead of finding out what do my audience want, what do they need. You find out that if you create or if you make videos that are targeted at your audience needs, that video makes or does better than the video you make just because you feel you should do it. There are two different things there. Don't make videos because you feel you should make it. Rather, make videos because that is what your audience. That is what your fans, that is what your subscribers need. Don't also make the mistake of leaving any comments unreplied. People have emotions. Human beings have emotions. You find out that if you reply to someone's comment, it gives them this boost that, oh, this guy, actually cares. All right? So don't ever leave any comments unreplied. Each time you upload videos, pay attention to your comment section. Anytime someone makes a comment, go there, check what that comment is all about. If it needs your attention, please do. Act fast. There are some comments that requires that you react. Give them a heart. Yes. If you give someone a heart, YouTube automatically sends them this notification that someone has, done this, someone has reacted. And when they get to find out, oh, this guy actually gave me a heart. Oh, you see, there's this kind of emotion that, arises from that. So you need to show your audience, your viewers, that you care about them by doing what? Making content that are channels to them, content that resonates with what they want, and not content that you feel, you should do because you are a YouTuber. Show your audience that you care. So secret number 4, have a strong CTA. You must have a strong CTA. CTA stands for call to action. All right, so you have to tell your audience, you have to tell your subscribers exactly what to do. All right, you need to tell them, specify what you want them to do. Don't just assume they're going to watch your channel and take action. All right, so you need to state clearly what you want them to do. All right, do you want them to give a thumbs up? Do you want them to subscribe? Do you want them to share? Ask them, tell them what you want to do. And you find out that there are many ways you can, place a CTA, a call to action. So your call to action might be, at the beginning of the video, that's before, in the middle, or after your video. For instance, I did mine. When I started the video, I told you, if this is your first time coming across my channel, if this is your first time watching my videos, kindly subscribe to my channel. I want you to subscribe. Even in the middle of this video, as I'm talking to you now, I want you to take a pause, look for wherever that subscribe button is, subscribe to my channel. All right, so you subscribe to my channel, and also not just to subscribe, but turn on your notification icon so you can get notified every time I upload useful videos like this. Now, if you are watching me right now and this video makes sense to you, give me a thumbs up. Comment on the comment section below, and I will, give a reply in your comments. Tell me if you are enjoying this video. All right, so these are the things that you can tell your viewers, your audience. Also tell them the kind of action you want them to take. All right, so in the middle, you saw what I did. In the middle of the video, you can tell someone, you can tell your viewers, if you like what I'm doing, kindly subscribe so you can get more. If you are enjoying this video, kindly subscribe so you can get more. Kindly comment. All right, so these are some of the ways you can tell people to take action. So at the end of the video, you can still tell them, okay, if you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe. Share this video to as many people as possible so it goes viral. So these are some of the things you can tell them. So secret number 5 is consistency. And I'll say it again, consistency. Now, most YouTubers make this mistake of, giving up too soon. Because just because they've uploaded videos, over time, and they don't get the number of views they want, it seems as if no one is engaging with their videos. They don't get the subscribers, and this thing sucks, and they give up. No, you need to be consistent. Whatever you are doing, be consistent with it. Keep, giving out value. Keep uploading those videos. The more consistent you are, the more subscribers, the more your channel is gonna grow. All right, so never give up. Keep uploading those videos. Keep making good contents. In the long run, you find out that people, will start engaging with it. Don't give up too soon. Thanks guys for watching this video to this very end. I believe these 5 secrets I've given you would help you to skyrocket your video views. It will help you to skyrocket your YouTube channel. Alright, so if you found this content useful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification icon so you can get notified every time I upload useful videos like this. Alright, see you in my next video.